Hello mga madam, good morning!
Good morning, Philippines. Good morning sa lahat ko ng followers sa sulok ng mundo. Ay, today, ngayong araw ay Saturday. And it's January 31. At may bisita nga ako mga madam, may bisita ako kaya naglilinis ako ng bahay. Wait, konting linis na lang. Magluluto nga ako guys ng chop suey. Dapat yung lulutuin ko, bulalo, chop suey, at saka, ano ba yung isa? Lumpia. Lumpiang gulay. Kasi yung ingredients ko, ano pa? Mamaya pa dadating. So yung bisita ko pala, alas 12. Kasi yung mga ingredients ako dun guys na galing sa Wii. Kaya hindi na ako bumili sa grocery kasi sayang. So sabi nila, ayaw nila ng soup kasi sila na lang yung magdala. So yung lulutuin ko, chop suey na lang. So yun na lang yung binili ko kahapon sa grocery. Konti lang naman yung lulutuin ko kasi dalawa lang naman sila yung bisita ko. So mga American sila, workmate ng husband ko. Nakapunta na sila dito last time. And ano yan sila guys? Parang adventurous sila sa food. Kumakain siya last time ng isa. Yung lalaki, kumain siya ng binuguan, kunday niya. So yung kanyang girlfriend, ika-try niya din. At that time, hindi siya nakapag-try pala. Kasi, nagpa-fasting siya that time. For now, naligo ako. So after this, yung husband ko naman yung naligo, naglinis. Siya kanina yung tawag doon. Siya yung nag-vacuum. At nag-ano ng mga window. Trapo-trapo. Nabatawag trapo. Ako naman ngayon, slice ako ng mga ingredients. Ingredients sa aking chop suey. So sa Weston, pinapadede niya. Nag-pump lang ako ng milk. Mabuti. Madami akong na-pump. Madaming blessing. Milk. Kaya, thank God, effective yung soup ko na pagkain araw-araw. Mag-slice muna ako guys ng ingredients. So, panghugasan ko muna ito para malinis. Hello. Bagyo beans. Kasi madami akong ingredients na kompleto lahat yun. Pero, mamaya pa dadating, so sayang. Pero lutuin ko pa yun. Wala na akong choice. Lutuin ko yun, ubusin ko. Sabi nila, anong gusto mong lutuin this week? Sabi ko, gusto ko magluto ng bulalo, chop suey, at saka lumpia. Sabi nila, i-deliver namin yung ingredients sa Sabado. So, sabi ko, may bisita ako tamang-tama. Pero hindi ko alam na alas 12 pala dadating. So, usually, kahapon lang nila in-order sa akin. So, yung delivery, mamaya pa mga 3 p.m. So, hindi naaabot. Kaya, madami yun. Madami sila magpadala sila ng food sa akin. Ang dami. Parang pang isang pamilya. Parang 7 tao yung makakain. Sobrang lalaki ng mga ingredients, yung mga ganito, mga repolyo. So, minsan yung ginagawa ko guys, in-invite ko din yung friend ko, or pinu-frozen ko, mga pagkain, kung hindi maubos. Dito na lang ako mag-slice. Ayan, yung gatas ni Weston. Ito, ubos na to. Itatapon ko na ito. Kalahati pa guys kasi hindi pala siya hiyang. Sa Similac, parang okay naman siya ngayon. Hindi siya, hindi sumasakyan masyado yung tiyan niya. Sa may Similac. Kasi nung pinanganak ko siya sa hospital, yan talaga yung binigay yung Similac. Broccoli ako. Yung broccoli ko frozen. Frozen na broccoli. Doon sa ref. Camera ko. May 30 minutes ako. Siguro punta sila dito. Nandito na sila mga, let's say, mga 12:45 or 12:30. Tamang-tama lang din. Ano na ngayon? 11:55. So, mabilis lang naman lutuin yung chop suey. Hakpok lang naman ito lutuin. Hindi naman ito, ano. Madalian lang. So, meron ako ditong turon. May turon na ako na na-order ko din sa Wii. Yan na lang yung lutuin ko. May, jackfruit. Saging at saka jackfruit na turon. Yun na lang, guys. Napanood yung kahapon guys yung vlog ko nung nag-visit. Pumunta pala kami sa sa Sugar Pine. Sugar Pine. Ano ito tawag? Lake, Sugar Pine Lake. Maganda po guys. Mabuti kahapon hindi umulan. Walang ulan. Kaya nakapag-enjoy kami sa aming gala. Slice ko na ito. Ay, mag-vlog muna pala ako. Before ko makalimutan, mag-vlog muna ako sa aking YouTube. May filter ako konti lang. Finish na ako guys, mag-slice ng mga ingredients. Ayan na. Ano na lang, yung panggisa ko na lang at yung manok. Dadalian ko na kasi yung bisita ko, dito na mamaya, mga ano na lang, 30 minutes, nandito na sila. Tamang-tama. Pagdating nila, mainit-init pa yung chop suey. Sarap sana pag may shrimp or atay, kaso ayaw nila ng atay siguro. Kumakain naman, pero mas maganda na lang na chicken na lang yung ilagay ko. Init na. Masira ito. High heat. Salt and pepper. Takpan ko na muna ng 5 minutes. Sana ko na makan. Ito na isa ko rin. Dito na chicken stock. Man guys, magluluto ako ng turon. Sa uwi ko din pa nabili. Frozen. Dala ko isang oil. Olive oil lang ng paprito, sayang. Mahal pa naman ang olive oil. Ha? Ah, okay. Almost finish na. Dito na sila. Bilis. 4:15. Dito na yung aming bisita. I'm gonna open the door. Mabuti na to na. Hindi lang ako magkakamera guys kasi baka ayaw nila. Prito na ako ng lumpia. Perfect naman ang lasa. Goods na. Ito na yung niluto ko guys. Luto na. Chop suey ang sarap. Nagdala din sila ng soup. This one, turon. Nagprito ako ng turon. Nakalimutan ko pang ilagay yung yung mais. Baby corn na buti na lang nalagay ko. Diyan sila nag-uusap. Salad. Sa madami na kaming vegetables. Kasi kumabos sila dito. Healthy living. Take a video just for my food. Uwi na nga sila. And then now, mag-unboxing ako. Wait lang. Mag-unboxing ako ng package na galing sa Wii. Wait, Erin. Mag-unboxing tayo, guys. Lagay muna ako yung ang paganda dito. Guys, meron akong package na galing sa Wii. Ito, Wii. Ang bigat. Ha? Feel nyo na camera dito. Yan. Should be in the middle. No. Good. Oh. Wow. I got beef. Ground beef. Kasi magluluto ako ng lumpia. Ground beef. Dalawang ganito. Bone for this one's for bulalo. Magluluto ulit ako ng bulalo. 2 cuts, and then this one is the thin slice of beef. I'm gonna make bistek.
Okay.
You already eat that, babe. It's bistek Tagalog. Magluluto ako guys ng bistek. Kaya nag-order ako. And then shrimp, peeled shrimp.
Horseradish.
And then malunggay. Malunggay. Arrange ko for this big box. Marami na naman grocery.
Yeah.
Mango.
I know what that is.
Ice.
Ice pack.
Maybe we'll put the camera to tofu. It's second tofu. Tofu, guys. Ay, dalawang tofu. Ay, hindi na kami umiyak.
Oh, move that.
Baby's crying. Wait, baby, ha?
Sick was.
Baby mango. Mangga. Wow. Kain tayo guys ang mangga. Bagu beans. Ayan.
A lot of vegetables.
Broccoli.
Yes.
I just put it in a freezer.
You gonna freeze it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna freeze it, the broccoli. And then those are some big. And then corn. I got some corn. Sobrang dami niya. Oh,
It's a lot.
And then cabbage. Ang laki. It's so huge.
Carrots.
It's crazy. Give me all the...
Did you tell them what you wanted, or they just
Yeah,
send you out?
it's how I want this. Carrots. Need a lot, guys. Ewan ko paano ko to. I don't know how to cook it all. It's a lot of food. Good boy. And then, here, let's see. Young corn. Baby young corn. Baby young corn. For my...
That is.
It's bagoong. Bagoong, guys. Meron akong bagoong. Bagoong hipon. Ay, wow. Meron akong bagoong hipon. Kaya, here we go. So, okay, this here. So if you guys wants to order in We, I will put the link in comment section, and you can get your $20 off. And you can get your $20 off across your first 2 orders. And that's all. Thank you so much. Ang daming pagkain. I don't know how to eat it all. May bagoong hipon, mais, carrots, cabbage, and fresh pa guys. Lahat ay fresh na fresh. Fresh. Broccoli. Tofu. Try yung tofu. Try kong gagawin taho. Ayan, frozen na beef. Giniling at saka sa bulalo ko. Mango. Pinagin may and this one. That's all. Daming blessing. Daming pagkain guys. Kain tayo ng mangga naman. Yung baby natutulog kaya kaya kong magising siya. Tsura ko ba dito? Kain mga madam. Sarap na ako ng bugoong. Patry ko ito sa husband ko. Si Weston nandyan lang. Nakatulala. Malitan ko yung kanyang diaper. Pagkatapos ang kumain. Bakit ba inihipan? Madami pa ako. Nawala yung kanyang maasim sa bagoong. Pero muna ako mag-arrange muna ako. Then itong tofu guys. Gawin kong ano. Tawag. Taho. Gagawa ko ng taho. Sarap yan. Patry ko sa aking asawa yung chop suey. Because he didn't eat vegetables. Hindi siya kumakain ng vegetables. Why you choose the chicken with the vegetables, not the chicken? Yung manok pa yung ano yan. No, you need to try all the vegetables in there.
No, I don't need it.
Just even just one of this, one of that. Remove the chicken because you already eat chicken.
I'm good. I need it on there to add some flavor. Can you give me something to drink with?
How can it be a challenge?
I'm gonna
Maybe?
add that right there. See that?
And then broccoli, just one by one.
Okay. Not all the same. Doing this all
And then
at once.
this one too. Then the baby carrots.
I already have
Baby
some of that
carrots.
on there. That's that thing
No,
right
that's so
there.
small. No, I mean the baby
I can't eat that.
corn.
I'll eat everything but that. Okay,
It's a baby
give me something
corn.
to drink with it. Just water to wash this or milk.
Yeah.
Milk. I'll do this for me. Okay.
Eat.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Then the baby corn, huh? The baby corn, that's yummy. That's good. Then the baby corn, if it's good, I promise you. If you just choose the chicken, it's unfair. How can it be a challenge when you eat chicken?
Well,
And then the baby corn, just the small one, huh? Don't cut it. Ay, it's good. Maybe it's sweet. It's yummy.
let's eat the whole thing.
Yeah. They already eat vegetables now. Little by little. They're like baby. It's yummy. See? Tastes good.
No.
Eat this one too.
I've had some of that.
It's just half carrots.
Wow, it's good. Thank you.
That's it. No.
I'm not gonna finish that whole plate there.
You want to live long? You need to eat this.
No. Not that much.
So ako na lang yung kain, guys. I'm just gonna eat. Can you get...
So you can breathe.
Okay. Maybe can you please get the baby's crying now. Okay, can you go with him there? Can you go with him? Okay, now.
I'll go with it in 1 second.
Okay. Kunin ko lang muna yung food. Tayo, ito yung aking ulam. Chop suey for dinner. Ito yung niluto ko kanina, chop suey. And then soup. Dinala sa healthy soup. Ito dinala sa akin ng yung American na friend ng husband ko. And of course, almond milk. Para healthy living. Breastfeeding moms. Para healthy food. Para healthy food, guys. Dinner time. So, bukas, madami akong lulutuin bukas. Magluto ulit ako ng bulalo, lumpia, at saka pansit. Kain. Thank you, Lord. Sarap. Bakit hindi gusto ng asawa ko to? Sarap ng chop suey. In fairness, nagustuhan ko ng ng mga Amerikano kong bisita. Yung soup, meron siyang carrots, beans, tomatoes. Ano pa ba? Cucumber, patatas. Madaming ingredients, guys. American style.
Making my dinner.
My husband's dinner. Yeah.
Yeah, halal.
Hold on.
Food. I'm having to make a little protein shake.
Protein shake.
See, that's how I eat my vegetables right there.
Another excuse. Collagen, peptide.
Oh yeah. My throat feels weird after that.
We didn't eat fruits. It's only vegetables, babe.
Oh, maybe I'm allergic to vegetables. I should eat it anymore.
Okay.
My throat feels weird. And I don't know what I've been like.
If you're allergic to vegetables, that's worse. You're allergic to everything.
Like what I want then. I'm supposed to make me a burrito.
Burrito again. Babe, take care of the baby, huh?
Okay, I'm going.
It's your turn. He's not crying anymore. We'll see. Okay. And I'm just gonna end my vlog for today's video, guys. At ubusin ko na muna tong food ko. Hindi pa ako tapos. And it's already 6:48. And early kaming nag-dinner para mamaya, tutulog na lang. Mag-edit ako ng mga video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name... And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Check. And if you want to follow me in Instagram, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Check. I don't have Blue Mark Check. It's just Maria Rose Vlog. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.